Hi friends, now we have Dell Inspiron desktop. We have in the desktop. I will show you how to remove the hard disk. First, you remove the two screws here, one and two. After that, simply slide this. It will open like this. Okay. Then next thing, you need to slide this front panel here. It will come like this, and then remove the screws here. First to unplug the cables, hard disk cables. One more screw is there here. Remove the screws. Here one button is there. Try to push this button. Then slide this. Welcome. Okay. This is the SMPS. Okay. Thank you.